What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to hubcap. Let's get into it. So a hubcap is a mix of a prone 360 into a barrel roll into a second prone 360. Now, before attempting the hubcap, there's a couple things that you need to already know how to do. First, you should already be as comfortable as ever with your carving across the wave back and forth. Number two, you already need to know how to do a barrel roll as well. Finally, the most important part, you need to make sure that your prone 360s are on lock. Now, once you have everything down, it's time to put it all together. So you want to make sure that you start a normal prone 360, and about 70% into the rotation, you want to completely lock your arms straight while leaning on the side of your hip. And you want to make sure that you are completely swinging your upper body in the same direction that you are rotating into a barrel roll. Coming out of the barrel roll, you're basically going on to your second rotation, and you're essentially finishing the trick like a normal prone 360 at the end. Now please remember to keep a tight grip on your board throughout the entire trick, because it can be just as easy for the board to slip away from underneath you and wipe out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.